to create a turkey headband. For this craft, you will need colored paper, scissors, tape, and glue. First, cut the brown strips of paper. Then you want to trace and cut the turkey feathers on the orange, yellow, and red paper. After that, you want to cut the turkey feathers out. Then trace and cut the eyes and pupils out on the black and white paper. Cut out a beak. Set everything aside and bring back the brown strips from before. Measure them around your head, then tape them together. Then put the glue on the bottom of the feathers and glue them onto the headband as well as the beak. After, tape the eyes onto the headband as well. Now you have completed your headband.